Good morning, children. How are you all? Today again, happy to meet you in another science class. Children, in last class, we learnt Unit 3. Today we are going to discuss about half-yearly question paper. Okay, children, let us see one by one. Children, today's homework, half-yearly question paper revision. Let us see one by one. First Roman, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Always cover food to protect them from dust and insects. Always cover food to protect them from dust and insects. Second one. We are attracted towards junk food. We are attracted towards junk food. Number 3. Cooking adds taste and flavor to food. Cooking adds taste and flavor to food. Number 4. Honey is the only food that doesn't spoil. Honey is the only food that doesn't spoil. Number 5. 1/3 of the food produced in the world is wasted. 1/3 of the food produced in the world is wasted. Number 6. Water is the most precious resource on the earth. Water is the most precious resource on the earth. Number 7. 73% of our brain's mass consists of water. 73% of our brain's mass consists of water. Number 8. Water becomes ice on freezing. Water becomes ice on freezing. Number 9. Water droplets combines to form clouds. Number 10. Rooftop harvesting is a type of rainwater harvesting. Rooftop harvesting is a type of rainwater harvesting. Children, second Roman, choose the correct answer. Second Roman, choose the correct answer. Number 1. Water exists in 3 states. Water exists in 3 states. Liquid, solid and gas. So, water exists in 3 states. Second one, at temperature below 0 degree Celsius, water freezes to form ice. At temperature below 0 degree Celsius, water freezes to form ice. Third one, evaporation is the process by which water becomes water vapor. Number 4. Which controls the ecological functions of life? Water cycle. Number 5. Water is converted into water vapor. Water is converted into water vapor when it is heated. Number 6. Pressure cooker is one of the modern utensils. Pressure cooker is one of the modern utensils. Number 7. We make idiyappam by steaming method. We make idiyappam by steaming method. Number 8. Solar cooker reduces air pollution. Solar cooker reduces air pollution. Number 9. Which one cannot be preserved by drying method? Which one cannot be preserved by drying method? Fruit. We can avoid food wastage by giving to the needy. We can avoid food wastage by giving to the needy. Children, Roman 3, true or false? Roman 3, true or false? Number 1, water is a good example for all states of matter. Water is a good example for all states of matter. This statement is correct, so the answer is true. Second one, water cycle controls Earth's temperature. Water cycle controls Earth's temperature. This is also true. Number 3, water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. True. 37% of our brain's mass consists of water. This statement is wrong. Correct answer, 73% of our brain's mass consists of water. So the answer is false. Rooftop harvesting method is used in agriculture field. True. Okay children, next Roman, match the following. Grapes, raw food. Mixture of vegetables, salad. Electric rice cooker, modern utensil. Earthen pot, olden utensil. Less fatty food, food during illness. Okay children. Children, Roman 5, answer briefly. First question, write about any two preservation methods. Write about any two preservation methods. Answer, pickling, canning. Second question, how can you reduce wastage of food in your home? How can you reduce wastage of food in your home? First point, take what you will eat and eat what you take. Second point, share the excess food. Share the excess food. Third point, give the excess food to hungry animals. Give the excess food to hungry animals are the simple ways to reduce wastage of food in my home. Children, next question. Write the states of water. Write the states of water. Answer, the states of water occurs naturally in three forms: ice, water and water vapor. Once again, the states of water occurs naturally in three forms: ice, water and water vapor. Number 4, what is freezing? What is freezing? Answer, ice is a solid form of water. Ice is a solid form of water. At temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, water becomes ice. This process is called freezing. Once again, ice is a solid form of water. At temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, water becomes ice. This process is called freezing. Question number 5. Name the processes involved in water cycle. Name the processes involved in water cycle. Answer, the processes involved in water cycle are evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Once again, name the processes involved in water cycle. Answer, the processes involved in water cycle are evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Children, Roman 6 answer in detail. Roman 6 answer in detail. First question, what is rainwater harvesting? What is rainwater harvesting? Answer, rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. List out the advantages of rainwater harvesting. Number 1, it increases the groundwater level. It increases the groundwater level. It can be used for agriculture. It can be used for agriculture. Third point, it increases the availability of water for living things. It increases the availability of water for living things. Children, second detail, see the given pictures and write down the states of each objects: solid, liquid, gas. Okay children, here the 3 states of water is given. First one, here a bucket pitcher filled with water. Water is in liquid form, so the answer is liquid. Second one is ice cube is given. Ice cube is in solid form. Third one, a balloon pitcher is given. A balloon filled with the air, so this is gaseous form. Next one, gas. Next one, some smoke is coming out. This is gaseous form. One toy car is given. Toy car is in solid form. Then bottle pitcher is given, filled with oil. So this is liquid form. One chair is given. Chair is in solid form. Next one, juice bottle. Juice is in liquid form. Last one, a T-shirt is given. It is in solid form. Okay children.